Okay guys, just listen the class. Just a small disturbance. Internet disturbance nothing on time, nothing to worry about it. Just to hear the question one more time. We have to find the equation of line which is passing through the intersection of these two. Passing through the intersection of these two. So akkada varaku question chadavandi. In passing through this point, so first you find the point. That point is -2, come on. So half of the question completed. Then what about the second part? Whose distance from this point to the required line? So from this point to the given line, required line is 2 units. Distance means perpendicular distance. So I don't know the equation of the line. That is, the slope of the line will be m, and this will be the point. By this point and slope m, y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. This is the point. Equation of the line. So for this line, from this point the line distance is equal to 2. So from 2 comma minus 2, this line the perpendicular distance is 2. Perpendicular distance and the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus e by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. Or just you put this point in the equation by root of x coefficient square plus y coefficient square is equal to 2. So cross multiply చేసుకోండి, ఏదో రోజు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, we will get the values of m. I think a very important point, just here I will send the notes. Okay, suppose ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడు m square లో ఈక్వేషన్ రావాలి. If not m is equal to 0, okay, just you can put the value of m is equal to 0, you will get one more equation. If not, must be there will be two values for m. ఎందుకంటే మాడ్యులస్ తీసుకుంటా కాబట్టి స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఎక్కడన్నా m కనుక క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే, if there is no m అంటే ఓన్లీ వన్ వాల్యూ వస్తే, if you get only one value for m, we have to consider that m means slope is not defined. Okay, ఇక్కడ m square, suppose ఇక్కడ 4m square, ఇక్కడ కూడా 4m square ఉందనుకోండి, 4m square will be cancelled, but you will get only one value for it. m square cancel అయింది అంటే m value we have to take one value of m as not defined. Okay, not defined means the line is vertical means parallel to y axis. So what is the equation of the straight line? X is equal to k. Since the line passing through -2, 1, x is equal to -2. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ m square లో we will get one quadratic equation. Suppose m కి two values రావాలి. Suppose m square cancel అయితే, if so, అప్పుడు ఒక వాల్యూనే వస్తుంది. బట్ two lines possibilities ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను ఉన్నాను, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇటు నుంచి ఉండొచ్చు, two ways ఉంటాయి లైన్. ఓకే, సో సెకండ్ వాల్యూ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? m square క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది కాబట్టి we have to consider not defined slope. ఓకే, not defined means line parallel to vertical parallel to y axis, that is x is equal to k. So x is equal to -2, so x plus 2 is equal to 0. ఏదన్నా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పర్పస్ లో. ఓకే, ఐపీకి అంత సీన్ లేదు, జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్. ఓకే, దీని సొల్యూషన్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని నేను పంపిస్తాను మళ్ళీ మీకు కావాలి. Okay guys, next one more question. Okay, next చూస్తారా? ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇది ఐఐటికి సంబంధించి. And that question is, the line parallel to the line parallel to x-axis and passing through point of intersection of ax plus 2by plus 3b is equal to 0 and bx minus 2ay minus 3a is equal to 0, where a comma b both not at a time not equal to 0. That is the question. The line, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. That is the question. Find the equation of line. Find equation of line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis ante y is equal to k. So parallel to y-axis means y is equal to some constant. Okay, x coefficient to manaku sambandham ledhu. X coefficient should be 0. Okay, now you see just passing through the intersection. So first ekkadaithe ee maata vachindo first we have to find the intersection. So intersection kanukunnam. 2b minus 2b, 3b minus 3b, a b, 2b minus 2a. So x by minus 6ab plus 6ab, y by 3b square plus 3a square, 1 by minus 2ab, 1 by minus 2ab minus 2a square minus 2a square minus 2b square. So x by 0, y by 3 of a square plus b square, 1 by minus 2 of a square plus b square. Okay, you don't think it is division, it is not denominator. X by 0 means it is not denominator. Just find the value. When equating these two, don't ask me this is denominator, it's a shortcut. Okay, so what about the value of x? 0 by minus 2 by a square plus b square. ఇది డినామినేటర్ కాదు, షార్ట్ కట్ కోసం మనం ఇలా రాస్తాం అంతవరకే, x వాల్యూ కోసం అంతే. ఓకే, now x is equal to 0. When we compare these two, what about y? Y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So a formula వచ్చింది కదా. So this line is parallel to x axis simply. Okay, next question. Next, third question. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0. cx plus ay plus b is equal to 0 are concurrent. Then first question, what is the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? And second one, 2 to the power of a square by bc into b square by ca into c square by ab is equal to. That will be the question. We have to find these two values. When these three lines are concurrent. Concurrent and I told you very shortcut, that is a determinant procedure. లేదా డిటర్మినెంట్ చేయాలి. కొంతమంది అడుగుతున్నారు 4 లైన్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదండి అసైన్మెంట్లో, హౌ టు ఫైండ్ డిటర్మినెంట్. మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్ కరెక్ట్గా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. 3 లైన్స్కే డిటర్మినెంట్ కనుక్కోండి. లేదా ఫస్ట్ యూ యూజ్ బై 2 లైన్స్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. ఇది కదా కాంకరెంట్ అంటే, యూ టేక్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ది 2 లైన్స్, ఫైండ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అండ్ దట్ పాయింట్ విల్ బి లై ఆన్ ది ఆల్ ద లైన్స్. So you put that point on the 3rd line, 4th line, 5th line, 6th line, whatever might be the number of lines that will be given in the question. That point should satisfy, then only we can say that lines are concurrent lines. So 4 lines ichcharu kada, 5 lines ichcharu kada, determinant use cheyalante it's a foolish thing. Just to take 2 lines and find the point of intersection. If those all the lines are concurrent, just put the point in the remaining lines. If it satisfies, that lines are concurrent. If not, the lines are not concurrent. That is a simple point. Okay. So now see, invariance argument. So it is better to use the determinant process. That is depth of ABC, BCA, CAB is equal to 0. As I told you earlier, so I am doing fast. A into, when complete this row, BC minus A square. Here is we have to consider the negative sign. If it is positive, you have to write minus. If it is minus, you have to write plus. Minus B of B square minus AC plus C of AB minus C square is equal to 0. So you multiply ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC, ABC minus C cube is equal to 0. That implies A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. You see, minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. These three terms goes to the other side. You will get A cube plus B cube plus C cube. ABC. That is 3ABC. Okay? That will be the first question. Whenever it is possible, we can say A plus B plus C is equal to 0 also. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, you cubing on both the sides, we will get this value. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Okay? Now what is given in the question, second question? You see the second one. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of. I am taking 2 to the power of A square by BC plus B square by CA, C square by AB. That is 2 to the power of LCM I am taking as ABC. So here is only BC. So A into A square. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So what about the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube? 3ABC. That is 3ABC by ABC. ABC gets cancelled. That is 2 cube. That is equal to 8. Okay. Right. Okay, next problem. These are all different questions in the concepts of concurrent lines or point of intersection. Next, one more question. After the class, I will send screenshots. If anybody doesn't receive the screenshot, just ping me. I gave my number. You just WhatsApp me with your name. That is important. Which branch you are? Because in this branch we are having group WhatsApp group. Prati branch lo WhatsApp groups unnai. Mikosam. So I will send to you. Nothing to worry. So you write down the question. The number of integral values. It is one of the important question in this topic. Okay. Next one. I think it is fourth question. The number of integral values. The number of integral values of m where the x coordinate of point of intersection of 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 and y is equal to mx plus 1 is an integer. You read the question, advanced level question. The number of integral values means 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, only just perfect values, not the fractions. 1 point అలాంటి values కాకుండా number of integral values of m, okay, for which the x coordinate of these two point of intersection, and a point of intersection you will get x and y, but there is no necessity to find y, just you have to find x only. x ఒకటే అడిగాడు, సో x ఒకటే కనుక్కున్నాం. ఓకే, మామూలు ప్రొసీజర్ చేయొచ్చు ఆర్ బెటర్. Here is y is equal to like this, so 3x plus 4, y can be replaced with mx plus 1 is equal to 9. Now 3 plus 4m of x plus 4 is equal to 9. Now x is equal to 5 by 3 plus 4m. Okay, only x. Question చూడండి, y ఎందుకు కనుక్కోలేదు, మామూలు ప్రొసీజర్ ఎందుకు వాడలేదంటే ఏ ప్రొసీజర్ వాడుకోవచ్చు, జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ x కోఆర్డినేట్. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ లో x మాత్రమే కావాలి, సో అందుకే x కనుక్కున్నాను. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంటీజర్. ఈ x కోఆర్డినేట్ టోటల్ గా ఇంటీజర్ అవ్వాలి, m కూడా ఇంటీజర్ అవ్వాలి. అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా మీకు? x కోఆర్డినేట్ ఇంటీజర్ అండ్ m వాల్యూ ఇంటీజర్. x కోఆర్డినేట్ అండ్ m both should be integer only. That is the question. X coordinate is an integer and what is the number of how many integral values of m? ఇక్కడ రెండు ఇంటీజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంటీజర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ values, x coordinate and m is integral, x coordinate integer. Okay, now ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఇంటీజర్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది అంటే 3 plus 4m is equal to 1, minus 1, 5, minus 5 only. Suppose if this value is equal to 1, so 5 by 1, 5 integer. This value is equal to minus 1, 5 by minus 1, minus 5 integer. Or the entire value is equal to 5, 5 by 5, 1 integer. So it will be minus 5, 5 by minus 1, minus 1 integer. Okay, got it my point? కొంతమందికి డౌట్ వస్తుంది, సపోజ్ దిస్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/3, సో 5 by 1/3 15 ఇంటీజరే కదా, బట్ ఈ m షుడ్ బి ఇంటీజర్, m కూడా ఇంటీజర్ అవుతుందో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వన్. నౌ ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ 3 plus 4m is equal to 1. So what about m is equal to -2/4 -1/2. Next 3 plus 4m is equal to -1, m is equal to -1, and 3 plus 4m is equal to 5, m is equal to 2/4, that is equal to 1/2. Now 3 plus 4m is equal to -5, -8/4, -2. Okay, these are the four values for m, but what we have to find? Integral values of m. So this is not integral value, so this will be the integral value, this will be the integral. This is not integer, this is also not integer. So m is equal to -1, -2. So number of values, number of integral values of m is equal to 2 only. So we have two values for m. What are they? -1 and -2. Okay, next one more question I will give. Okay, next fifth question. If x plus 2ay plus a is equal to 0, x plus 3by plus b is equal to 0, x plus 4cy plus c is equal to 0 are concurrent, then what you have to find? A, B, C are in, then A comma B comma C are in ఏబిసిలు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి, మీ ఇంట్లోనే మా ఇంట్లోనే ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయో కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు. ఓకే, we will find these three lines are concurrent. Okay, simply you find the determinant. So that is 1 2a a 1 3b b 1 4c c is equal to 0. So 1 into 3bc minus 4cb minus 2a of c minus b plus a of 4c minus 3b is equal to 0. ఎలా చేసాను మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. ఓకే, if not you listen the yesterday's class. Now 3bc minus 4bc minus bc minus 2ac plus 2ab plus 4ac minus 3ab is equal to 0. You see here minus 2ac plus 2ac, that is 2ac, and here minus bc, it is only minus bc, this is minus bc, and 2ab minus ab is equal to 0, that is 2ac is equal to bc plus ab. Now dividing with abc, what you will get here, 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c, which implies a b c are in harmonic progression. Okay, write down that. Next, okay guys, screenshot తీసుకున్నారు కదా. If not I will send, I am writing my number today also. మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే ఈ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి మీ పేరుతోటి. I will send it today class notes also. Okay, మీ పేరు మీ క్యాంపస్ మెన్షన్ చేయండి నాకు. Okay, right, go for the next one. Okay guys, next concept is concurrent lines lone there is one more property is there. I will explain you. Concurrent lines ante we can otherwise we can say that family of concurrent lines ane word vastundi కొన్ని problems. Family of concurrent lines. What about family of concurrent lines? How they represent ante, you see, these are the different lines. These are the different lines which are concurrent. Concurrent at this point. Okay, the point is called point of concurrence. This is one of the important point for concurrent lines. All the family of lines, there are many lines, but there is only one point of intersection of the lines. Okay, so all the family of lines can be represented of the form L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0, where lambda not equal to 0. Or I will explain, nothing to worry. Lambda 1 into L1, lambda 2 into L2 is equal to 0, where lambda 1 and lambda 2 at a time not equal to 0, represents family of concurrent lines. Family of concurrent lines. అంటే number of lines are will be there, but a family మొత్తాన్ని ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు మనం అంటే you take two lines, just two lines, one line plus some lambda into another line. So this is the general form. Lambda ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారో విషయం మనం మాట్లాడదాం. ముందు కాన్సెప్ట్ వేరేంటి. Number of lines, thousands of lines ఉన్నాయి, but all the lines are passing through one point. So those lines are said to be concurrent lines. Okay, but a family మొత్తాన్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేలాగా ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే you consider any two lines, whatever you have, whatever you like, you take those two lines and first line plus lambda into second line, or lambda 1 into first line plus lambda 2 into second line, which represents concurrent lines. ఓకే, లోగో అంటాం కదా. లోగో అంటే చూడగానే మనకు తెలుస్తుంది, యూట్యూబ్ ఒక లోగో ఉంటుంది, ఇలా వాటికి ఒక లోగో ఉంటాయి. అలాగే when you see this type of form, that should be the lines are concurrent. The lines are concurrent. There are many lines. Among the family number of lines, these are two lines. Okay, proof అనేది మనకు అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. Okay, so there will be two lines. Okay, a family మొత్తంలో you can take two lines. Okay, I will give some problems. The point you have to remember that one. Whenever you see such type of question, that means there are many lines. These two lines represent among the two lines. Okay, so I will give questions to that one also. First question: find the point of concurrence of family of lines represented by plus 5a into x minus 3 into 1 plus 2a of y plus 2 minus a is equal to 0. 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta of x plus 3 cos theta minus 5 sin theta of y minus 5 cos theta minus 7 sin theta is equal to 0. Same question. The sentence is same. Find the family of lines represented by point of concurrence. Okay. So ilanti question istar. We have to find the point of concurrence. It's a simple question. You see, just like the solution. What is the question here? Just to multiply 2x plus 5ax minus 3y minus 6ay plus 2 minus a is equal to 0. Okay. Now you see the terms. There are some terms containing a and some terms does not contain the letter a. So you separate those two. So here is 2x minus 3y plus 2. So these three terms does not contain the term a, and you see these terms contain the term a. You take a of 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is like L1 plus lambda and is equal to 0. Okay. So the given equation reduces of the form this one. What is meant by this one? That is represents pair of family of concurrent lines. So this will be one line and this will be another line. ఓకే, అక్కడ చాలా లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాళ్ళు 2 లైన్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకున్నారు. ఓకే, సో వాట్ అబౌట్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంటే ఈ 2 లైన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఒక 2 లైన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఏ పాయింట్ అయితే వస్తుందో ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్స్ యు విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ పాయింట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినిషన్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెన్సీ. సో జస్ట్ టు టేక్ 2 లైన్స్, 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. సో ఫ్యామిలీ అంటే చాలా లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అన్ని లైన్స్ తోటి మనం రిప్రజెంట్ రాయాలంటే కష్టం కాబట్టి ద ఈజీ వే అవన్నీ ఒక ఫ్యామిలీకి సంబంధించినవి. మనకు కూడా చాలా మంది ఉంటారు కానీ సర్నేమ్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అలా చూడగానే ఇదంతా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ అని ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే ద లైన్స్ షుడ్ బి ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ L1 plus lambda L2. L1 first line plus some constant whatever might be the constant plus L2 is equal to 0. ఈ a value you take different values of a, you will get different lines. అవన్నీ ఆ ఫ్యామిలీకి. ఓకే, so these are the two lines. So solve these two lines, -3 -6, 2 -1, 2 5 and -3 -6. That is x by 3 plus 18 20 21. ఎక్కడ నేను క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కరెక్ట్ చేస్తే you try to correct it. 3 plus 12, 3 plus 12 that is 15, y by 10 plus 2 12 and 1 by -12 plus 15 that is 3 -12 plus 15. Okay, what about x comma y? 5 comma 4. మనం చేసింది కరెక్ట్ కాదు, వెరీ సింపుల్. I told you just you put the point here. 2 into 5 10 minus 12, 10 minus 12 minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So my point is always that. So ఇది ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ నేను రిప్రజెంట్ చేశాను. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ మొత్తం ఎక్కడికి కలుస్తుందని ఇక్కడే కలుస్తుంది. దట్ ఫ్యామిలీ గోస్ టు దిస్ పాయింట్ 5 comma 4. దట్ విల్ బి మెనీ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్స్. 2 lines are given among the family and that family intersected 5 comma 4. This question is also same. దీన్ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే చాలా పెద్దది అవుతుంది. బెటర్ I am taking as cos theta. Okay, and some terms contains cos theta, some terms contain sin theta. So you take the cos theta common, you will get some terms, and you take sin theta as common, you will get some terms. Okay, so cos theta means 2 cos theta into x, that is 2x, and this will be 3y and minus 5 plus sin theta of, you take sin theta terms common, so this is 3x and here is minus 5y minus plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is of the form lambda 1 into L1 plus lambda 2 into L2 is equal to 0. ఇలా ఇచ్చారు అంటే ఇది ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీకి సంబంధించింది. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ యొక్క సర్నేమ్ ఏంటి, లేక ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ యొక్క కాంకరెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి, ఎక్కడ కలుసుకుంటారు ఆ లైన్స్ అందరూ అనేది మనం చెప్పబోతున్నాం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. 3 minus 5 minus 5 7 2 3 and 3 minus 5. So x 21 minus 25 y minus 15 minus 14 1, that is minus 10 minus 9. So x is equal to minus 4 by minus 19 and y is equal to minus 29 by minus 19. So x comma y is equal to 4 by 19 29 by 19. ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అడిగితే ఓకే you correct it. 3 minus 5 minus 5 7 2 3 and again 3 minus 3 minus 5 21 minus 25, that is minus 4 is correct, minus 15 minus 14 minus 29 minus 10 minus 9 minus 9, maybe it's correct. Okay, right there. Okay, next, so this is a very important concept, students. So I will do some more questions depends on this concept. I will send today class screenshots. Live lo unandi vinandi classes. Okay, doubts డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చాలా మంది చాలా చక్కగా అడుగుతున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దట్ వన్. బట్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ మెనీ గ్రూప్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ రెస్పాండింగ్ ప్రాపర్లీ. వాళ్ళు అసలు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తున్నారో లేదో మనకు తెలియట్లేదు. ఓకే, చేయండి, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని చేయండి. డౌట్ ఉంటే గ్రూప్లో కాకుండా పర్సనల్ మెంబర్స్ అయినా ఏ లెక్చర్కైనా పెట్టినా చెప్తారు, మీకు ఇబ్బంది లేదు. గ్రూప్లో పెడితే ఏంటంటే మెనీ ఆఫ్ ద లెక్చర్స్ విల్ బి దేర్, సో దే విల్ రెస్పాండ్ ఎనీవన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. These are all for object questions, what I am telling you. ABC are in AP, that is in arithmetic progression. Then the family of lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 passes through the point. Okay, అంటే ఇది ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ ax plus by plus c, ఆ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్న చాలా లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ అన్ని ఏ పాయింట్ కూడా పాస్ అవుతాయి. దట్ విల్ బి ద క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద సొల్యూషన్ హియర్? ABC or AB means 2b is equal to a plus c. Okay, now from this you can write a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. A minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be of the form. వాడు ఇచ్చిన ఫామ్ లో క్వశ్చన్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం, దట్ విల్ బి ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నౌ యు సీ ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ వన్ యాస్ a into 1 b into minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. This is like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Magic law ఉంటుంది క్వశ్చన్. You see ABC are in AP. Okay, 2b is equal to a plus c. That means a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. You always remember the given equation. We have to convert the condition into the equation form like this. I will explain one more question also. Nothing to worry. It's a very simple questions. 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0, and the family of lines ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 passes through. That will be the question. Writing this కంగారు పడుతుంది, పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను. So this is the condition వాళ్ళే ఇచ్చారు, but the condition should be of the form this one. Okay, now you see 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0. Now I am dividing with 4. ఎందుకు? It is only constant c, so divide with 4. You will get 3 by 4a plus 2 by 4b plus c is equal to 0. But you see here is minus c, so you have to multiply with minus. Then what you will get here? A of minus 3 by 4, b of minus 1 by 2, minus c is equal to 0. So this is of the form ax plus by minus c. What plus c is there? We have to write in the form of same form, but it minus another kabatti. So compare these two. So what about the family of lines intersection at minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2? That will be the point. I will give one more example. Next question. A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Then the family of lines x by a plus y by b plus 1 by 0 c is equal to 0 passes through the point and right line. Okay, so a, b, c are in HP. What about the condition? 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. That implies 1 by a minus 2 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0. Harmonic progression means 2 by b is reciprocal to the arithmetic progression. 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. I think you know the condition. If not, just you write down, nothing to worry. So that will be, you can write, when compare these two, you can write like 1 by a plus minus 2 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0, as of x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c is equal to 0. Now x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Okay, next one more question I will give. 9a square plus c square minus 12ab plus 4b square is equal to 0, then the family of lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 passes through that point. Okay? You see, there is a condition, it's different. It is in square. So you observe that question. It is not c square, it will be minus c square. Okay? Now you see 9a square minus 12ab plus 4b square minus c square is equal to 0. Okay? 9a square minus 12ab plus 4b square minus c square. Now this can be written as 3a minus 2b whole square. You see, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. Okay? Minus c square is equal to 0. So what about this form? A square minus b square form. So we have a plus b and a minus b is equal to 0. Okay, now first we have to convert this equation to a square minus b square form. Now it is a plus b. This is all a plus b. A minus b. Okay, you take the first one. That is 3a minus 2b plus c. So you can write a into 3, b into minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. This is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Whereas x comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 2. What about the second one? 3a minus 2b minus c. You see, the given line is ax plus by plus c, but here is minus. So you have to multiply with minus. That is minus 3a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. A into minus 3, b into, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Where x comma y is equal to minus 3 comma 2. Okay? Screenshot this one. I will explain one more question on this concept. Okay? Speed up. Okay guys, next one more question. Here's the concept close chesada. I will send different questions on this concept. Different questions means depend on the same concepts. I will give questions. Okay, everyone should do the questions. That is important. కొంతమంది ఇంకా లైట్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు ఇంకా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ని. ఈవెన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. You don't think that these syllabus will be covered later. Okay? మీరు డౌట్స్ అన్ని చేయండి. వీలైతే రేపు లైవ్ స్టడీ అవ్వకుండా మీకు ప్లాన్ చేస్తాను ఇంత ముందులాగానే. ఓకే? అండ్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్. Five x plus 3y minus 2 plus lambda 1 into 3x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 plus lambda 2 into 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Find the equation of line belongs to both families. Question is very difficult question. Okay, when it is such type of question is given, what does it mean? There is a family, one family. This represents one family of lines. One family of lines. What about this one? Another family of lines. Another family of lines. Okay? This is one family of lines, another family of lines. So we have to find an equation which belongs to both the families. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి మీకు? There are some lines like this. This is one family. One family means one point of concurrence. There will be one more family of lines. Okay? Both the families ని కలుపుతూ ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయాలి. అంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ జాయిన్ చేయండి. This will be the line. This is the line. అంటే just we have to find this point of intersection and this point of concurrence, and by joining these two we get a formula. We have to find an equation of straight line. Okay? ఈ ఫ్యామిలీకి సంబంధించిన పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ కనుక్కోండి. ఈ ఫ్యామిలీకి సంబంధించిన పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ కనుక్కోండి. By using the 2 points we find the equation of straight line. So first you take 5x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. And next one, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, 5 3 minus 1. So x minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 minus 6 plus 20, that is 14 minus 5 minus 9. So x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 1. Satisfy అవుతుందో చూడండి. 5 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, the point is correct. Now what about this one? Minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. That is 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, and minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. So x comma y is equal to 3 comma 4. Verify చేసుకున్నాం. Point 3 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, point is correct. Okay, so this is the point of concurrence of first family. This is the point of concurrence of second family. This is point of concurrence of first family, and this one is point of concurrence of second family. What we have to find? We have to make a straight line through these 2 points. Okay, so it is 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma minus 4. Equation of line passing through this y minus y1 is equal to 2 points. How to find straight line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 either తీసుకోవచ్చు. You can take any of the point and slope. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. That is minus 3 by 2. So 2y plus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Now that is 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, right away. Okay, now question అర్థం కదా. ఇది ఏంటి చెప్పండి? ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్. ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్ లో 2 ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు we have to find the equation of that line. Okay, next, angle between the lines. So this is the concept. Yesterday class and today's class we are discussing about the point of concurrence, point of intersection of the lines. Okay, in tomorrow's class time sarpodemo. Okay, tomorrow we will stop here only, and tomorrow class we are going to discuss angle between the straight lines. We are going to the end of the straight lines by the next week. Of course ee week lo maximum concepts anni complete cheddam. Okay, I will send screenshots of this class, and I will send the assignment also.